In the last video I talked to you about changing the width of columns and the height of the rows, and one thing I said was you could select everything like we've discussed by just clicking this little button, and then if any change you make to any column will change to make the same change to every column. You can see now it's pretty uniform here. It'll change every column to be the same height, same width, because you've selected every column, and the same with the rows here. This will change the entire sheet, so be careful with that. And then I also mentioned that if we just click out of that, if you just wanted to select just a few columns, any change to any of these three columns will change all three to the same thing, same width, and the same with these rows. I've just selected 6 rows, so any change I make to any one of these rows will make the others identical. Okay. Now, the other way to change rows and columns, and I meant to say this in the last video and I forgot, is just to do right here. If I select those two columns because I want to change them in some way, I select them by clicking and dragging on the A and the B over, and then I click on Format, and now I can go right here and I have some choices here. I can auto fit, which will just read the data inside and fit it exactly, and sometimes that's nice to do. You can do a default width. Maybe you're working with a certain width and you always want that to be the default width. You can do that as well. But if I just want to change the column width, I click here, I type in a number, press OK. If I don't like it, I just go back, column width, type in another number, press OK. So that's how you manually, or I guess automatically, I don't know what the term is here, but just entering data to change that column width. And the same goes for the rows. Select the rows, go to Format, row height, press OK, and now you've got the change. Okay. And I think that's all we needed to talk about.